Okay, as you see, this is Competition Electronics Pocket Pro 2 straight out of the box, and we have a Duracell 9 volts. Let's open it. As you can see, it started operating. Okay, the screen is nice. Now I'm gonna try to trigger it. As you can see, here's a start button. Nothing happens. Again, nothing happens. See, nothing happens. It's supposed to beep when I press the button. Okay, no matter how long I try to press or how different kind of presses I apply, it doesn't work. I think the integrated button inside the box is broken, and I don't know how much this will cost. So I bought this brand new from AliExpress, and now I'm facing such a weird situation. And yeah, should I be sad for my money, or should I be sad for my trainings, or should I be sad for the lost time? I don't know. This is so frustrating.